a content creator that's in your niche that has about 10,000 subscribers. That is a fairly new creator. You want to find a content creator that has about 50,000 subscribers, who I'm going to call is on the way creator. Then you want to find a creator that has about 100,000 subscribers, which I'm going to call a progressing creator. Then let's find a creator that has 300,000 subscribers, and we're going to call that a highly progressive creator. Then find someone with 400,000 subscribers, which is considered an established creator. 500,000 subscribers, which is a fully established creator. And then your 1 million subscriber content creator, we're going to call that person an efficient creator. Okay. So that is what you need to do to start your YouTube journey. Now, the number 5 thing that you are going to need to do, because keep in mind, you're watching these creators, you're seeing what they are doing to be successful,